This week I am testing the brand new BMW X1. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infasecure. In the back of the BMW X1 there are Isofix in the two outer seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. On the back of all three seat backs there are clearly marked top tether anchorages, and they're really nice and easy to access and connect to through the boot. Now I could fit 3 Infasecure child seats across the back here. Now space is good, however I found an Achieve More and an Attain More would fit in the outer seats, and only a versatile folding booster seat in the central seat. The other seats that I tried, it just wasn't quite wide enough back here at shoulder height to fit 3 full child seats across. Now legroom is good in here too. With forward facing child seats you can fit a 186 centimetre driver in front, or with rear facing about a 180 centimetre. To learn more about the child seats used in this review, just click on the link here. In the back of the BMW X1 the storage is good. There is a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders that will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. In the back of the central console box there are USB-C sockets, and there is a little shelf for a phone too. There are net mat pockets in the back of both front seats that will hold but not conceal an iPad, and the door bins are good back here. They'll hold a refillable water bottle and an iPad fits in them too. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console in the X1, which is fantastic for keeping little ones in the back nice and cool while you're driving along. Storage in the front of the X1 is really good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. And in front of them is a large Shrine phone holder. It's a lovely design, and it's got a charging pad there too. Now the armrest, if you lift the lid up, there's a bit of storage underneath there, and it's a bridge central console, so there's a lovely amount of storage underneath. You can fit a wallet or something like that in there. The glove box is a good size, that will hold my iPad and wallet with the manual, and the door bins are a good size in the front too. They will hold a refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in them as well. The boot door of the X1 opens electronically and closes that way too with a press button, which is great when you've got your hands full of your kids' stuff. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will hold 12 shopping bags, or a twin side-by-side pram and 1 shopping bag, a tandem pram and 3 shopping bags, a single pram and 5 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 8 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. The X1 is a really nice car to drive. The steering is really nice and light, although it does feel like a really strong car to drive too. Visibility is really good in here, and when you have got a child seat in that central seat, visibility out of the back is hard, but mirrors are good, and when that's not there, visibility is great out of the back. You've also got cameras that you can put on with a button down in the central console as well. It's got really nice tight turning circles, so it's really nice and easy to park in school and supermarket car parks too. The media system in the BMW X1 is really nice and easy and simple to use. I love that it has things like the weather forecast and things like that in there. Now it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is fantastic. When I put it into reverse, those camera images are really lovely and easy to use, and you can turn that camera on and off at any point using the button down in the central console. You've also got lots of lovely views you can see from, which is fantastic. Now the BMW also has voice control, so if I say, "Hey BMW, I'm cold,"
I will increase the temperature. It will be more comfortable shortly. Let me know if it gets too warm for you.
Thank you BMW. which is fantastic to use while you're driving, especially for things like changing the climate. Otherwise you have to do it through the screen here, which I have found is pretty simple to use while driving. You can open the sunroof and things like that just using voice control, which is fab, and the kids have a bit of fun with it too. Turn on heated seat for passenger.
I will activate the seat heating for the front passenger.
So to sum up with the new BMW X1, it is a fantastic baby drive. You can just get those 3 child seats across the back, although 2 are much more comfortable. Legroom is good in here, the media system is great, and so are the cameras. The drive is fantastic and the boot space is ample, and you've got that underneath storage as well.